laid out right here. You can see my line. I'm going to run it like this. Now this machine works with a guide, and there's a template that's set up in here. And I'm going to run this, and I have to move it to get this, doesn't quite reach the end. So I will run this real quick, and it looks like this. Okay, super fast, super easy. And now I just have to move this real quick. And then get this last stop set. This is a 4-flute 1/4-inch cutter. Very nice. I like the 4-flute setup better than the 3-flute setup because it's easier to align. Now I'm just going to cut this last little bit. Job that does in terms of how clean it cuts. And so now I just want to show you this real quick. Here's the prototype. Here's what I'm working on, a flag display. It's hard rock maple, Wenge here for the molding and the feet, and hand cut dovetails. And then here, up here is the joint I'm working on, which is a mitered spline joint. Very simple. I never thought I'd make one of these, but it just turns out that a situation came up and I had to accommodate a deer family in the area. So here's my drawing. And if you're wondering how I got these angles in these parts, I did a full-size drawing. And I don't know if you can see this. See if I can zoom in on this. So here's my drawing. And if I put my parts on here, so I've got my dovetails already cut. Basically everything aligns. If I move this apart, this is where that joint goes. That mitered spline joint goes right up here. So I don't know if I can even. There you go. I don't obviously have any clamps on here. And then the dovetails line like so. And the next step is to make a clamping call and glue this bad boy up. And first I'm going to fit the dovetails one more time. Check the alignment up here and see where I'm at. And I should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Hey, I just want to do a little add-on to the video I just shot of the mitered spline. You never know until you fit everything together. And what I want to show you is what I just shot. There's the flag display assembled. There's the angled dovetails. I was surprised at how strong these were. These are hand cut. This is a mitered spline. This has traditional joinery in it. This will literally last 100 years. Thanks for watching.